Milo ice cream by French Eat Menu. Ingredients: condensed milk, all-purpose cream, and Milo powder. First, put 500 ml of all-purpose cream, chilled overnight, into the mixing bowl. Mix it using an electric mixer, or you can use a wire whisk. Beat the cream until the volume is doubled. Add 300 ml of condensed milk. Mix them together using a spatula. You can also use a wire whisk or an electric mixer. Add 6 sachets of Milo. And mix them all together. Gradually add the Milo and mix them again until the ingredients are evenly mixed. Transfer the mixture into a plastic container or any container of your choice. Add Milo powder on top. Spread it evenly and let it chill overnight. Scoop and transfer into a bowl. Here's your Milo ice cream by French Eat Menu. Like and share. Thank you for watching.